hang on. There we go. Right, we are riding a Nightster. It's in sport mode.
Enjoy the ride on a nice small bike.
Well, yeah.
Day. I can't get my feet on the gear change in the pedal.
I don't know if I can yet.
You sure you want to do, Ken?
Fucking hell, this is narrow compared to that. First. Right, 2025, Nightster. Fucking legs on the exhaust already. She sounds a bit shit. She needs some power. Right, who's leading us? Oh, the clutch is better on this. In sport mode, Steve. Good lad.
You don't need it on this road, I'm going to show you.
Hey?
Well, you'll get on the third gear on this road.
No, well, yeah. I rode the road glide in Melbourne and we got third gear most of it, but that thing just pulls in third. If you go into the bend at third, it still come out in third. I did get up to fifth once, but Jesus saying that's quick. It's a quick bike.
I don't like these straight away now.
It's a bit weird, isn't it?
This is the only ultra they make now.
Is it really? I might try and get behind. I'm going to try and get behind him. I want to be first. I want to be first. You're always last. Yeah, I want to get behind Callaway, yeah, because this is like riding my Hornet. Oh, I'm gonna get fucking yeah, well, yeah, the gears and stuff are in the same place as the Hornet, aren't they? It's set up a big bike. I'm going. Yeah, I'm ready. That gear's not very positive. Oh, there we go. Okay, 2025, Nightster. Let's see how we do now. Where's the indicators? Under there, right there. Oh, no, that's fine. There we go, I found them. What? Quite small, but I found it very positive. It's a positive gear change, you know. Does that make sense? I feel like I'm on a sports bike. Yeah. Bumpity, 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 bumpity. enjoyed that. Very comfortable bike to ride. Feels like a sports bike. Definitely need a seat. It's a step-up seat and higher rise bars, but actually really not a bad bike.